guys, so starting off with the canceled Eco Styler gel. I know we're gonna take that. You're gonna need a edge brush, you're gonna need some edge control, and you're gonna need a headband, a broken one. That's what I use. And you're also gonna need some bobby pins for your puff. So now taking the edge control, not the edge control, but the Eco. Next, I'm just gonna take my edge brush and brush my edges up very carefully to get it like very sleek. So yeah, then the next thing I'm gonna do is take my edge control and I'm gonna apply that on my edges. Just because the Eco Styler gel, it gets that wave going, but it doesn't lay it down completely without a hair wrap, and I don't like to tie my hair down with the hair wrap. So I use the edge control to slick it up, and then I'm just brushing it because this edge control makes it stay in place, honey. Like, yes. So now I'm taking my broken headband and I'm tying it at the back, not all the way tied, but it's still like that one, loop. And then I'm taking my thumbs and pushing it up with it, and then I'm going to take a bobby pin and pin it. Now I'm going to take another bobby pin and stick it in the front so our puff won't keep sliding and getting smaller. So now taking my fingers, I'm just going to fluff that out with my hands just to get more volume in my puff. Next, I'm taking a pick. I don't really use picks often, but since I seen the pick in my room, I was like, let me just use it. But usually I would just fluff it out with my fingers. I don't really like to use the pick often. I usually just use my fingers. Alright, so next for edges, I'm going to take some of the Eco Styler gel and put it all over my edges. And then following on top of that, I'm going to take my touchdown edge control just so my edges can stay in place and they won't curl up. Then I'm going to take my edge brush and we're going to slay those edges. So yeah.